you doing, Anna?
I'm painting.
Painting what?
Toys.
You're painting your toes?
Right here.
Oh, you think that's nail polish? You think that's toenail polish?
Nice.
Oh.
No. Look. Look at me.
Well, did you do your fingernails? Can I see your fingernails?
Look. Look it.
Did it fall? It fell down? Can I see your face? Let me see that face. Can I see your face? And a smile? Can I get a smile?